Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to download Real Boxing 2 on your mobile device. So to do that, open up your Play Store on your Android device. In order to download Real Boxing 2 game on your Android, first open up your Play Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search box and type in Real Boxing 2 and search. You'll find the application in the search result. Simply tap on the install button to begin the download process. Real Boxing 2 is a boxing simulation game available for various platforms. It is also available in mobile devices and gaming consoles. The game allows players to create their own boxing character and engage in virtual boxing matches. The game typically features realistic graphics, detailed boxing mechanics, and variety of boxing styles and techniques. Since the game is large, it might take a few minutes to download. Once the application is downloaded, tap the play button and there you have successfully downloaded Real Boxing 2 game on your Android device. That was how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.